guys, what is up? If you are someone who want to work in the UK or you're a student studying in the UK but looking out for job opportunities, in this video I'm going to share those 3 supremely important and must-know websites that you're going to thank me for. Let's go. Number 1. This website is a must-know website, guys, and the name of the website is prospects.ac.uk. You can find literally information about every single career, every single industry at one place. Let's check out the website together. So you need to type prospects.ac.uk and that's the website. Trust me, guys, this is one of the best websites that I have gone through. Okay, so this is how the website looks like. What you need to do is click on jobs and work experience, and there's this section job profiles. You will see it is either segregated through sector or A to Z. Let's check out one by one. So when you click at browse by sector, all the jobs are accumulated within the sectors like accountancy, banking, business, creative arts, you can see. And there's this long list of sector. Let's say we are looking at sales, just for example. So within sales, whatever job profiles you will find, everything at one go, as you can see. Similarly, if you want to search for another sector, let's say information technology. Similarly, we have 28 job profiles within this industry. Now, let's say I click at data analyst. You will find what this career is about, what are the responsibilities, what is the salary, but this is as per UK standards, so please don't compare it with Indian standards. Qualifications, what are the skills needed, work experience, and so much more. Do have a look and read through all of them. And you can actually directly apply from here. There are clickable links here, directly get redirected to the places like this where you can apply. So make sure you go through every single job profile which you are potentially interested in. Now coming back to browsing by A to Z, you can also go through by this method. So you can actually find all the job roles in UK under this page. So let's say I again want to read about data analyst. So what I'll do is I'll click D here and I'll search for data analyst, and similarly I will be redirected to the same page that we initially read. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm going to quickly scroll down to show you that this page actually includes every single profile from A to Z, all the job profiles in the UK. So guys, the number 2 website that you must know is jobs.ac.uk. Let's visit the website together. So I'm going to Google jobs.ac.uk. So that's the website that we are going to go on. This one is quite straightforward. You have a tab for searching jobs, you have a tab for location. If you have a priority that within the UK I want to work from this city, then that's the tab that you can filter out. And then you can see there are industries of all sorts in front of you. All you want to see is which industry you want to work for. Let's say, let me give you an example of human resource. So I'll click human resource, and then you will see you will get redirected to a range of opportunities which includes the job title, the industry, the company that is hiring, what is the salary, and what is the deadline to apply for this job. Similarly, you can go ahead and search for jobs in any of these industries. And number 3 website that you must know is gov.uk. That's gov.uk. Let's check out the website together. So again, I'm going to Google gov.uk, and that's the website. When you scroll down the website, guys, here's the tab Find a Job. Click on it. Start now. And again, it's quite straightforward, honestly. Look out for the roles or the company that you're looking for in UK over here, and look out for any particular city or postcode that you're looking for within the UK. Let's say I'm a career coach, so I'll search for career related jobs. So I have just put career. No postcode, no city. I'll just search it. This is just an example for you guys. So as you can see, all the career advisor, career administrator, everything career related roles I can see over here. What's the deadline? What's the salary? Every single information you can find it over here. All you need to do is just click on any of these opportunities that you find intriguing and you will get redirected to their respective apply page. So guys, this was it. These three are the must-know websites if you're looking for a job in UK: prospects.ac.uk, jobs.ac.uk and gov.uk. Tell me in the comment section below if you found this video useful, and I'm going to see you next time with a new video. Bye bye and take care.